Hello. Yesterday we started Unit 3. Um, first, I'm going to remind you that you need to submit your CV before today or before tonight at 11. You had to do it like the model in Unit 2. Let's see, let's go to the end. You had to do it like maybe like this, yeah? And if you don't have work experience or a lot of education, you can invent it, you can make it up and use these ads as a guide. And please remember that the most recent work experience goes first and then to the past. Yeah. Okay. So we started Unit 3, and this is past simple like we did last unit. So, how do we make the past simple? I played, ed. I did not play. And did I play? You played, you did not play or didn't play. Did you play? He played, he didn't play. Did he play? She played, she didn't play. Did she play? Etc. And the answers to the questions are yes, I did, no, I didn't, yes, you did, no, you didn't, etc. The verb is in the past in the affirmative, but it's in the present in both the negative and in questions. Yeah? And this is regular verbs, yeah? Regular verbs, we add ed. En els verbs regulars els hi posem ed i recordeu que el verb està en passat a l'afirmativa, però està en present a la negativa i a les preguntes. I així contestem a les preguntes. Yes, I did, no, I didn't, yes, you did, no, you didn't, etc. Els verbs irregulars. Els verbs irregulars utilitzem aquesta columna, d'acord? Per tant, per exemple, go. So I went, I didn't go, did I go? I made, I didn't make, did I make? I sold, I didn't sell, did I sell? I sang, I didn't sing, did I sing? I understood, I didn't understand, did I understand? And then you have was and wasn't. So all the negatives are done like this, yeah, didn't, and the questions are like this. But was, and where are different. Els negatius se fan en didn't, però tenim una opció que és was i where, que dèiem I was, I don't know, in the kitchen. Negativo, I wasn't in the kitchen. I pregunta, was I in the kitchen? I resposta, yes, I was, no, I wasn't. D'acord? Es where igual, es was és amb I, he, she, it, i es where és amb you, we, they. D'acord? You were here. You weren't here. Were you here? Yes, you were. No, you weren't. And then we read this text called St. Valentine's Day. We talked about St. Valentine's Day, if you liked it, if you celebrated or not. And then we looked at the story of Valentine. And we answered these questions. Valentine was an emperor, was false. He was a priest. Valentine died on February 14th. True. Claudius wanted men to get married. This was false. He wanted them to be soldiers. Claudius put Valentine in jail. True. Valentine was in jail for 40 years. It was false. He was in jail for 20 years. And Valentine helped people get married. That's true. Yes or no? Was Valentine a priest? Yes, he was. Remember what it was? Did Claudius want people to get married? No, he didn't. Did Claudius want women to be soldiers? No, he didn't. Did Claudius put Valentine in jail? Yes, he did. Was Valentine an emperor? No, he wasn't. And did Valentine help people be soldiers? Yes. Oh, no, he didn't. No, he didn't. And then questions. Why did Valentine want people to get married? With full sentences. Why did Valentine want people to get married? He wanted people to get married because he wanted them to have a family. This is what you can answer. Then we have, when did Valentine live? Valentine lived about 1,000 700 years ago. And what did Valentine help people to do? Where is it? He helped men and women to get married in secret. Yeah. And then we looked at this. This is an ad for Coca-Cola. This is the story of Coca-Cola. We only looked at the video. We didn't do the exercises. Només vàrem mirar aquest vídeo, no vàrem fer exercicis i l'estàvem traduint. We were translating the video because it doesn't have subtitles, perquè no té subtítols. Estàvem traduint i va sonar la campana. Per tant, we will continue with this, yeah? Okay. See you on Friday. Bye.